Look at this unreal outfit. Oh my god, from fucking Hugh Hefner shit, ain't it? Boys, another vlog, another day in the life type thing. You can see the mess in my house. We got some lube lying on there. We got some garbage everywhere. We got some drinks, had a little bit of a party. That's just, I guess, part of the day in the life is gonna be me cleaning up from all of this fucking mess. Literally, there's a fucking bottle of lube on the couch. All right, I gotta take some of this shit off. We're taking some photos, and I gotta clean up this place. Let's do that right now. Seriously, there's like clothes everywhere. Oh, some good wine. Didn't finish it. Alright, so now that that is at least clean enough that I can focus, I can actually think and get some work done. I bought a couple things, boys. The big one, you guys are gonna think I'm absolutely crazy. And I got a couple other things here. You can see Georgie ripping it apart there. Hey, Georgie. So, one of them, it's a long board that is actually, it's called a summer board. It's actually got a few different wheels on it. I don't know how it works yet, but it's actually goes side to side as well, like a snowboard. So it's got wheels on the bottom of it, like this. So you can actually shred on it. So I'm super excited to try out that one. That was $2,000, I believe. And I just really loved snowboarding, so I wanted to try this out in summer as well. Another thing I got here, we'll set it up, helps me clean a little bit. It's a vacuum. It's a robot vacuum, of course. We're gonna open that up in a second and see how that runs. And you guys are gonna think I'm crazy. I bought a Jeep. I literally just made a video about buying a Jeep. I bought another one. It's gonna be my fourth car. This is my fourth car. I haven't picked it up yet. We're gonna go pick it up tomorrow. I already put the deposit. I already got all the payment and everything sent through. I just gotta pick it up tomorrow. It is a newer Jeep because I wanted a newer one as well. The other one just has a bunch of parts and stuff. So we're gonna use some of the parts on the other one and then sell it off. And I wanted a newer one, a nicer one. It wasn't quite good enough for me for camping. So we got this other one. I think I spent 40K on that one. So we'll go check out that one tomorrow. Let's just set up this robot real quick first. I actually completely forget what all the features are on this, but it's like a cat hair. It's tangle free, so it's got like a blade in it or something that cuts all the hair cutting blade that cuts all the hairs and stuff, so it doesn't get tangled. It's controlled by your phone. It's a vacuum and a mop also. And it's kind of cool. So I think and it automatically docks and everything. We'll just check it out here real quick. Bunch of filters, I guess. This is just gonna help me a ton because I fucking suck at cleaning, especially just being on my own and having parties and such. Let's get this thing running. Okay, so now that one is charging. We'll get it rocking here soon. And I have a stream at 4, so we're just gonna quickly run to the gym. Actually, oh guys, holy shit, look at this. Oh, it's stripping for you, eh? Look at this one. Oh, guys, I got a tattoo. Oh my god, it's unreal. See if you guys can see. Look at that. It's just started. I'm only about a quarter done. You can kind of see that the trees and whatnot, they're just kind of drawn on their sketches real quick. He mostly focused on the bull and the bear, and then it's gonna go all the way into my chest. It's gonna go all on the inside. This was so far, I think 5 hours. We got another like 15 hours at least left. I did it, first tattoo, going completely all out, but I fucking love it, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Look at that bear. We're gonna fill it with more detail too. Unreal. I can link the artist in the description if I remember. JC Good on Instagram there. jc.good, I think. And I've been waiting a year for this guy. And he finally opened up his books. And we're gonna do one session per month for the next, I think, 4 months. But now, this is my gym clothes. It's time to go to the gym quickly before the stream. Let's go. All right, boys, back from the gym. Watching me some Mamba FX on there, if you can see him. He go buying his Lambo. That's fucking sweet. I'm not gonna do that, but that's fucking cool. I'm really proud of him, dude. That's awesome. Just going to start the stream here. It's Asia Open. We're doing Asia Open streams sometimes now, guys. I'm not always around in the evenings. I'm not always around at nights, things like this. So there's not very good time for me to stream. I wish there was better times for me to stream. Maybe when I move to Asia, I'll start doing more and more streaming because I'll have nothing to do in Asia next winter. Because because I won't have any friends there in Thailand and whatnot. I think I'll probably stream a ton then. I might do multiple sessions a day and just show you guys my trades live, but that'll be in November. I might just show you guys like fucking everything because I'll have nothing to do. But we're just gonna look at the euro here and see how it goes, and I just want to see if we can get any shorts in, some longs, something like that. Looks like there's going to be some more shorts actually continuing based on the daily there, and it's just dumped down this morning. We tried to take a short this morning actually and just barely got wicked out. I didn't take that second setup though, which is unfortunate, but it's the same sort of setup. I just was a little bit too early, and then I didn't want to double down. I didn't want to take another one. That was all, but I could have gotten that one. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Anyways, see you guys in the stream, and you guys can watch it. What day is it? The 25th of March, if you guys want to watch that stream. I was actually just talking with Trader Nick here, and he's also going to be featured in a Yahoo Finance article. We both got approached for the best gurus, Forex gurus or something like this for 2021. So I was talking to him about it. We're both going to be in that. I think we're looking at position 3 and 4, something like that. I think he was saying. So we're just going through like the hoops here. Just had an interview with the guy. He seems like a nice guy. Just going to make sure that everything's good to go, and then we're going to be part of that article there. So hopefully by the time I think he said it's going to be maybe a month or something like that away. So by the time this video is posted, most likely it won't be done yet. But keep your eyes out. I'll link it somewhere. All right, boys. Let's turn this shit down. Turn down the music there. Okay. Oh my God, that hair. I should really put a toque on, hey? Jesus, okay, we got the toque on. We can cover it up a little bit. We took a trade this morning. Let's just take a peek here. We're in some good profit here, if you can see. I've already closed majority of it, just a few lots on that trade there because we were driving, so we wanted to be a little bit careful. But we took some profit already, and a few $100s, nice and easy, going into the London close there for today. And now is the first road trip with the new Jeep, and we're just waiting for this big old ferry over here. But we can show you this Jeep. It's actually a week later than the previous vlog video. I just got super lazy and didn't feel like doing a whole lot. But let's just take a little bit of look at the Jeep here. Got my camping shit in here because we're going camping. First camping trip. We got a fucking CV radio in case I get stuck. Oh yeah, this should be a good trip. We're going down to Sombrero on the island here, Victoria Island, and I've never been there before, so we'll check out some nature and see how this goes off-road. But yeah, guys, time to wait here for a while. You're probably wondering, why the fuck do I have 4 cars? Why the fuck do I spend 200K on cars? I must be a fucking car fanatic or something like that. Actually, I have no fucking interest in cars whatsoever. The Jeep there was made for off-road. Decided to go with the nicer one here that I'm driving right now. This is gonna be the off-road vehicle, the camping vehicle that I can just fuck up and don't give a shit about. It's a nice blue, but that blue will surely turn to brown very quickly. I'm not gonna keep this thing clean. Fuck that. The Mazda was an old beater I used to drive around when I was fucking poor back in when I was, what, 22. Gonna get rid of that quick. And the Jaguar is literally just a toy. I don't even need to drive in Vancouver. There's no reason to have a car in Vancouver. It's literally just a fucking toy, so I can speed around and fucking flex. That's all. Hello! Alright guys, so we got to the camping site. We actually brought a surfboard with us. We're just unloading everything right now. Big ass fucking full car, and we gotta walk it down about a mile to the beach, and we can set up tent there. Step 1 to making a fire. Add butter.
Oh my god.
To the fire pit. Step 2.
We need like cardboard and shit.
Add cardboard and shit. Most important step is butter. So now we have a lemon buttery teepee. Next step, add fire.
Oh, that shit's good.
Test out the murder capabilities. My new axe will do much better.
For sure.
There we go.
These are the sea turtles. know
Swiss
what they
cheese
call them.
rocks. Alright, we're gonna gather some of these guys up, eat them for dinner. What do you think? Eating mussels that we find on the beach for dinner? Tune in next time when we're throwing up. Yeah, they're covered in shit. Should we eat them?
Let's just cook them and see how it goes.
Yeah.
I think we just need to go up the river.
Walk up the river? I suppose we'll walk up a hike of water. That's what everyone's coming for? I don't see what the big deal is. When she finds out you trade Forex for a living. The real challenge was actually freaking using the camera the whole time while jumping over like little rocks like this shit. But it's a lot easier coming back down. Look at that shit. That's some shit, isn't it? Like there's some hair in them. Dirty as shit. Ugh.
Don't eat anymore, please.
No?
Please don't do that.
I mean, it's good.
Please.
Hey boys. I am on the ferry now. I did not get sick from that mussel that I ate, but I do have a little bit of sniffles. I think it's from the smoke because we were on the beach there. Just a massive amount of smoke blowing from the, if you can see here, we took a trade, you know, you can kind of see here, that's the EU long, and we got 1.8 R locked. Let's just pop this open and you can see, you know, the euro. I don't know if you can see that. It's maybe a bit bright there, maybe a bit bright. So you can see it just exploded. Perfect. We did exactly what we wanted to. They're right and early, 5 minutes into the Monday open here. It was Easter holiday, so we took the day off there. I am going to be completely hermiting. Guys, March was a testing time for me, getting back into the groove of things after just fucking up for a while. Honestly, guys, you guys kind of put up with that shit there too. You guys saw that shit. I fucked up for a bit. March was great on my trading. We've been averaging 5 to 10 R a week, so that's unreal. 1 week, I think, if I had taken every trade, which I didn't, it would have been 19 R. So that's unreal. So 1 month of live testing was enough for me to get the confidence back, and I've done tons of back testing, just slightly refining previous strategy. And it's absolutely unreal here, guys. So what I'm going to be doing is hermit mode, and I'm going to be trading every session. Asia open, London open, New York open, London close. I'm going to do hopefully 4 trades a day-ish, you know, maybe 3 if there's no trades on one of the sessions there. I'm gonna be sleeping in between each one. It's gonna be fucking rough, but we're gonna fucking nail some 20-hour weeks. I'm pretty damn sure, because this is brutal. This is fucking unreal. I'm hyped up. I'm so optimistic. Literally right off the bat, 5 minutes into the market open. Look at this, 5:14 now. I started this 5 minutes ago, and we are 10 minutes into the market open, and we already locked in 1.8 R. That's, you know, if you got enough money, that's a few grand right there. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog, because it's just gonna be hermit fucking mode, and then we're gonna do some fucking road tripping after that next weekend. We're gonna do some off-roading, just fuck this Jeep up. I got it a little bit dirty this weekend, but we're gonna fuck it up. See you guys next time.